Good morning, friends. Well, how you doing out there? Look who's here today. Hello. I guess she's up. We're raining on her parade. It's too loud for her to sleep, so she's gonna come check out some things around here. So we're gonna just start out our day because this is our kind of the end of our shape stuff today. So we're gonna end up with the shape family here. So well, take two. Okay, let's try that again. Count with me. 1, 2. And it's okay.
Should I stop it?
All right. You know, like I said before, I'm not always that good with technology. Should be ready now. Here we go. I didn't want you to start over, then we'd miss Smokey. I am on a circle, round like a pie. I'm baby triangle, 3 sides have I. I am Papa Square, my sides are 4. I'm cousin rectangle, shaped like a door. I am brother oval, shaped like a 0. I'm sister diamond with a sparkle and a glow. Now I'll leave off the end of each line, and you fill in the word that rhymes. I am mama circle, round like a pie. I'm baby triangle, 3 sides have I. I am Papa Square, my sides are 4. I'm cousin rectangle, shaped like a door. I am brother oval, shaped like a 0. I'm sister diamond with a sparkle and a glow. We are the shapes that you all know. Look for us wherever you go. All right, so we have a lot of things to talk about today. First of all was the shape review. This is it. You got to know your shapes now, and I know you do, so that you can go on to kindergarten. And we worked a lot of them on shapes back in January and February, and now we reviewed them a little bit this week. Not much, but a little. So I hope you can keep working on them with your mom and dad. We also talked a lot about our weather this week because we're supposed to be learning about spring and the weather. So here's my weather chart. For yesterday, I just put down that it was cold and sunny because really there was nothing else coming out of the sky. No rain, no snow, and it wasn't really windy either. So I just left it as cold and sunny. So I can't wait to see what today is, and probably still cold. Hopefully it's going to be sunny. And you make your weather charts, and if you want, when you're all done, you can send me a picture. Next, we are celebrating somebody's birthday. Her name starts with an S, and she is a member of the Bumblebee class. And she's turning 5 years old tomorrow on Saturday. So here we go. Remember, it's not really her toys in here because she's at home and I'm here. But we're going to see what she would have tried to put in her suitcase. So, here we go. First is a picture of her science lab.
You didn't say what her name is.
Oh, my goodness, this is Surai. Happy birthday, Surai. Oh, thank you for reminding me I didn't say her name. All right. Well, anyways, she and her dad like to do lots of messy things at her science lab. So don't think she would have been able to put her whole lab in here, but she could have put something from her lab into the suitcase. So that is part of her surprise. And then she loves to play with dolls. Dolls of all shapes and sizes, and this is just some of them. She also has a Barbie dream house and shopping mall, but that picture did not get on my phone, so I couldn't print it. But this one is some of her dolls, and if you look, there's like Moana and princesses and all kinds of neat things that she likes to play with. So Surai, we are sorry we cannot be with you to celebrate. We wish you the best, and so we are going to sing for you your birthday cake song. She's going to be 5, and of course she loves everything chocolate, so she's going to want some chocolate frosting on that birthday cake. So here we go. Ready? Birthday cake, pour it in a pan. Let's bake a cake as fast as we can. Spread it with chocolate frosting. Stick 5 candles in. Today's Surai's birthday, now the party can begin. Party! And then we normally have snack, and we eat a special snack to celebrate and sing happy birthday. So I'm going to sing one more time for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Surai. Happy birthday to you. All right. Well, Surai, have a good day. Smokey's kind of running around wild here tonight. So, I don't know. All right. So we are going to, our next thing is journal days on Fridays. So, and I really think this is appropriate for today because I feel like spring is finally here. So, you get to draw something that reminds you of spring for your journal page today. So, what do you think you might want to draw? Well, I would get out a yellow marker because one sure thing of spring is the sun starts to shine. So I draw a sun. And then if you've made a tree, you could make a tree trunk. With some branches. It's kind of like that. Now, what starts to happen to our trees in the spring? That's right, they get buds on them for leaves. So you could draw some little buds for the leaves, right? Because they're not quite leaves yet, but they're just starting to form. You could make some brown and green grass on the ground because in the spring, the grass is just starting to get green, right? What are some other signs of spring that you can think of? You get to fly a kite. You could make a kite. What else can you do? You get to finally go play outside, play in maybe in mud puddles too. So there's a lot of things that you can think of. Robins come out, birds, you see birds a lot more now in spring. So think of signs of spring and you save this so at the end of the year we can put it all together with your special pre-K journal. All right, next we're gonna go on to that letter. And I think you should all know what letter we're going to be talking about today, right? Anybody know? Because I asked you all about your favorite ice cream. So we are going to do the letter I. And an I makes 2 sounds like I in ice cream, but it also makes a I sound like in igloo. Ready? And I says I, and I says I. All the letters make a sound. The I says I. Good job, friends. All right. So, here we go. Our project that you guys had to help me out with, because one of the things that starts with I is ice cream. So, over here, Heidi can zoom in on my graph. We are going to do some graphing to see what is the most popular ice cream flavor in pre-K. So we have cotton candy. Now I admit, you sent me a lot of really good flavors, and some of these I had to combine because we couldn't quite do them all. I have strawberry, and I apologize because one of our friends also said she liked cherry. So we're going to say strawberry / cherry for this one. Moose Tracks. We had Oreo. And we also had a friend who wanted mint Oreo. So we're going to put Oreo and mint Oreo together. Then we had somebody who likes strawberry and chocolate and cotton candy or some kind of mixture of ice cream all in one. So that's this one. Then we have the favorite mint chocolate chip for many people. And of course, vanilla and chocolate. So I have my list here, and we are going to see where our names end up. So Aiden, can you believe it? Aiden's the first one I pull out, and you know what Aiden said? He doesn't really like ice cream. And we know that. He only really eats animal crackers and his Uncrustable peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. But that's okay, Aiden. You don't have to like ice cream. But we're happy. We're going to put you right up here so that your name is part of our graph, even though because that's the... So, then we have next up is our birthday girl, and her favorite kind of ice cream is chocolate. Now, normally in school, you get to come and put your name up on your picture. But since you're out there in TV land and I'm here, I will pull the names out and look at my list and put them up. Isla likes strawberry, which doesn't surprise me because it's pink. Kirk is the mint chocolate chip friend. Fiona, she's another strawberry friend. And Rosie K is a chocolate. Wow, we've got some ties going on here, right? Halver likes vanilla. Get somebody over here for vanilla. That's good. Dylan also likes vanilla. What's happening so far? We have some ties, right? The same height. Hopefully we're going to have a winner. Do you think we'll have a winner? I don't know. Charlotte N. She's over here cotton candy.
Ooh, good choice, Charlotte Ann.
I knew Heidi would say that because that's one of her favorites too. Felix likes vanilla. Uh-oh. Woo. Ella likes cotton candy.
Ella, I'm proud.
Olivia is a vanilla. Uh-oh, what is happening? Lilia, what are you going to tell me? Oh, Lilia's a strawberry friend. Next I have Johanna, and Johanna I believe was vanilla too. Cody, he is vanilla. Abby, now Abby is going down for chocolate, but she actually likes her chocolate with sprinkles on it. So, Rosie H, she likes strawberry. Nehemiah, where are you, Nehemiah? He likes our Oreo. Nora Johnson, she likes all kinds of flavors, but she picked bubblegum, strawberry, and chocolate. So we're putting her in our mixed column. And then Charlotte W likes the same as Kirk, the mint chocolate chip. Now, since we're talking about mint, Nora W actually likes mint Oreo, but we're just going to have to stick her on the Oreo, okay? Because I didn't have room to put everybody's flavors on there. So we kind of have to divide them up or combine them. Clem likes chocolate. Elise likes mint chocolate chip. Levi likes Moose Tracks. And that was really appropriate because we sent this home on the letter M day, and so he picked an M ice cream, which is kind of cool. Britta likes cotton candy.
There we go.
Cliff likes strawberry with chocolate chips. So we're going to put him down for strawberry. Solana is an Oreo. Leon likes strawberry and chocolate together. So he goes in that mixed column over here with Nora Johnson, right? And then we have our friend Hazel, and Hazel is a chocolate girl. And Maggie. Maggie likes cherry, but like I said earlier, I'm sorry, Maggie, we're going to put you down for strawberry because I ran out of room for cherry. So now, want to just make sure I got all 20 of my friends, 30 of my friends here. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now, you may be wanting to know what those teachers like to eat too. So we have teacher Charlie. She likes strawberry. And I happen to like that Moose Tracks ice cream. And then Sandy likes chocolate. So I made the teacher names a little small so they kind of messed up our graphing a little bit. But can you see what happened between the strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate? Well, actually, let's take a look at strawberry. Strawberry has, it's hard for you to tell which is the tallest, but actually it is strawberry. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And vanilla, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And chocolate, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, like I said before, you can tell by counting, but you can also look and see which is your tallest line, and that is going to tell you which is the most. So our most popular ice cream is the strawberry. What is the least popular? That would be the shortest ones. And that would go under Moose Tracks and the strawberry mixed column because there's only 2 there. But otherwise, so everything else is tied except for the strawberry has the most because cotton candy and Oreo have 1, 2, 3 people. The leasts are tied for the mixed and there. And then vanilla and chocolate are tied as well. So that is our graph lesson for today. You get to figure out what flavor ice cream you like. Now, so ice cream starts with I, and that is the I sound. And there's something else that we have learned about, and we're going to sing that song that starts with an I. Anybody think they know? It's a song on a CD. I is, and this creature has 6 legs. That's right, it is the insect. So here we go. Head, thorax, abdomen, abdomen. Head, thorax, abdomen, abdomen, and eyes and mouth and antenna too. 6 legs and there's an insect for you. Thorax, abdomen, abdomen. Thorax, abdomen, abdomen, and eyes and mouth and antenna too. 6 legs and there's an insect for you. Abdomen, abdomen. abdomen, and eyes and mouth and antenna, 2, 6 legs, and there's an insect for you. And eyes and mouth and antenna, 2, 6 legs, and there's an insect for you. And mouth and antenna, 2, 6 legs, and there's an insect for you. Antenna, 2, 6 legs, and there's an insect for you. Six legs, and there's an insect for you. There's an insect for you. All right. Do you know what? There's so now I wanted to talk to you quick because there a while ago I sent in one of my emails that maybe we could come up with a new name for butterflies and bumblebees, because you know we aren't really just butterflies and bumblebees, because we all watch my videos every day and we're all kind of just the pre-K kids. I know Abby sent me a name, and I am so sorry, Abby. You'll have to send it to me again because I cannot find it in my emails what you said. But I also got a response from Cliff. And you know Cliff, he's Mr. Science over there. Well, he came up with the snowberry moth, which actually does exist. And his reasoning is because if you do look, kind of looks like the bumblebee in the middle and butterfly wings. But I think calling us the snowberry moths would be very challenging to say every day. Good morning, snowberry moths. How you doing today? So I don't know, but I just thought because we're talking about insects today that I would show you this picture of the snowberry moth. So thank you, Cliff. Now, since it is letter I day, you have your journal to make. And I just thought of one more thing that you could put on your picture when we were singing the insect song. You could draw some insects because they come out. But remember when I told you about the Minnesota spider and how in the spring the spider stays frozen until spring? And I'm still seeing all my spiders in my house. So I should draw a spider on my 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, spiders have 4 legs and the insects have 6. So I just have to throw that in there. Anyways, today you are going to make an ice cream cone for your art project. Along with your journal page, you're going to make an ice cream cone. So how you're going to do that is kind of shapies again, because you know we're finishing up shape. I'm going to take a rectangle, and I'm using the rest of my brown paper from yesterday because I reused my paper. And we're going to make this rectangle into a triangle. And I'm just going to put my thumb in the top and fingers in the bottom and cut. And then I got a point there, and I'm going to cut back up. And ta-da! I have a triangle for my cone. And then I decide you can make as many scoops of ice cream as you want on there, but I picked red because I was thinking of the strawberry, because strawberries are red, but I guess strawberry ice cream is really not red, but I happen to have red paper. So I'm going to make a circle, and when you make a circle, you just kind of go around and around and around and around, right? because it is a curved line that goes around. And then I'm going to put some vanilla ice cream on top of my strawberry. So I'm making my circle. And I'm going to take my cone, find my glue stick here. And I'm going to put my strawberry scoop of ice cream on first because it's a little bit bigger than my vanilla scoop. And then I'll put some vanilla on here. So I have 2 scoops of ice cream. And you know something we've been forgetting to do on our art projects, and I haven't thought about it because you guys are all home and you don't have to worry about them getting mixed up with anybody else's. But you should still write your name once in a while on your paper so that you can practice. So you pinch, and I'm going to make my uppercase S and my lowercase t, E, P, H. And there's my short name. I only write my short name. So that is it. Happy birthday, Surai. I hope you have fun celebrating with your families. And next week, we're going to start digging into that bag that you picked up and seeing what's in there for us to help with our learning. And one of the things we're going to be reviewing and working on is rhyming. And then we're going to start our gardening and flower unit. So this should be fun. But today, enjoy the sun because I know the sun is coming out. Tomorrow, Saturday, is going to be really, really nice and warm. It will really feel like spring. So you can think about all those spring things that you can do tomorrow. Draw them on your picture. Think about your shapes. Make ice cream. Look for things that start with an I. It's pretty hard. There's not a lot. But I know you guys are pretty smart over there. And you'll find some very good things to share with me. Thank you again for sending me pictures of those silly faces. Tomorrow I'm going to work on putting them together in something really neat for you so you can all see everybody's silly face. Anyways, goodbye!